Yeah. Hasn't been a beat I won't strip, enough to make some blood drip. And after I get done, I show boat like I bought a ship. Got a million rappers, so it makes me new. I'm like Steve, I fought through blues and found through clues. The hip-hop is now unraveled. Allow me to bedazzle you all as I do battle. Snake eye without the rattle. Expecting me to fail, you clearly forgot I'm not you. My minutes of fame got more hang time than Flavor's clock do. I'm like Drew, I breeze through, competition see through. I'm watching all this money coming in, I call it pay-per-view. Who's seeing me? None be. This acid on my lungs be. Never been a deadbeat, so I ain't afraid to Sunday. Keep my game diesel, yours is weak and unequal. I'm borderline of greatness, might as well be illegal. I put fire in my raps because my drive is just persistent. In other words, me failing to exist is non-existent. Fluent with the X and O's, I show her zero love. I'm like the Mile High City, always one level above. I'm too imperial, rhyme so venereal. Lucky charm here, I stay killing loops, I'm serial. Got a elegant jab like Zab, Judah, none cooler. Went from any length to own, so I'm a ruler. I can shake mics like AI or crash it like Bandicoot. I'm programmed viral, even the Mac couldn't compute. Cruising in the finish lane, I'm feeling like Victor. I've been envisioning success, but now y'all finally got the picture. The frame was hard to place, but now it's finally set in stone. Got you all mind blown, I came back to claim the throne. I'm a far from common cure, like the worst painkiller. His is real CPR, in other words, a defibrillator. I'm known as a rapper's equal deflator. Dropping eye candy, I'm just a narrator. Addicted to paper, been wildin' out before Nick Cannon. Born to lead, might as well call me Eli Manning. Put my thoughts in the light, now you see what I'm planning. So you gotta stand under me to reach your understanding of my music. I ain't going nowhere soon. Tired of all these ass rappers, man, it's like I'm being mooned. Living dream like Hakeem, I'm here building my regime. Too militant, I'm dropping hotter feckle than latrines. I'm at you full throttle, capture lightning in a bottle. Explode when docile, my impact's colossal. Track banger on the mic, clear the lane as I deploy. Got me feeling like Chicago, cause there ain't no Illinois. The minds is Florida, I'm about to catch a case. The young chameleon, cause I'm superior in any race. Any lap, any mile, any acre, I'll excel. I keep this magic moisturized, I never hit a dry spell. Head to the throne, in other words, I'm an aerial. You are in the waking of an instrumental burial. So I hope you're saved after these bars sprayed. I'll engrave on your tomb that you met a verbal blade and you caught the fade. Yeah, caught the fade. And I'm out.